Hello, today my name is Reginald. I'm an employee of Commonwealth Home Healthcare, and I'm here to demonstrate the proper usage of a standard walker. Bear in mind that all of our equipment is based on height and weight, so please make sure that the walker you're using is based on your height and weight. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have the patient stand in the middle of the walker in a relaxed position with their arms hanging down by their sides. You're going to want the height of the walker to be exactly at the crease of the patient's wrist. In other words, I'm going to turn to the side to demonstrate. You want the patient's arms to be relaxed to their side. You want the walker to come to the crease of the patient's wrist. So if you notice, this walker is actually a little lower than I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the height accordingly, and I'll show you how that's done. You'll turn the walker on its side. You'll locate the push pins on the legs of each walker, and what you'll do is, this one was too low. You'll pull the leg out accordingly, ensuring that each leg is at the exact same height. You'll flip it back up, ensuring that the crease of the patient's wrist is right at the handles of the walker. And if you notice, that's exactly the position that I needed to be in. Bear in mind that you want the walker to be at a level all the way around to ensure the safety of the patient. You want the patient to be standing as upright as possible with minimal stress and strain on their arm. And always make sure you inform the patient to keep the walker on a level surface, no stairs or cracked driveways. Please bear in mind that while you're putting the walker into a patient's residence, you always want to make sure that the wheels on the front of the walker are facing on the outward position, unless the occupant's home does not allow for the wheels to be on the outside position. Then it is okay to put them on the inside. Having them on the outside increases the stability, which reduces the chance of injury. Thank you, and I hope this demonstration was very informative to you.